When taking photographs, it's easy to get to a location and just shoot all of your photographs from that one location. However, if you do this, you may be missing out on better images. The way to get around this is to change your angle, your position, or your point of view. Shoot from the ground up, shoot from the top down, or just change your position and get as many different angles of the subject as you can. Now, this is known as exploring the subject, and it's a way of working your way around that subject and getting the best photos you possibly can. And what you'll find is most photographers, including professional photographers, will do this. You'll end up with lots of photographs of that subject. A lot of them you'll throw away, but what you'll find is you'll end up with more compelling images, and you might even find unique angles and unique images that you wouldn't have normally created. I do this all the time, and it really does help me warm up and get into the flow and get into what exactly I want to get out of the subject. I do have a lot of throwaway images, but I do have more compelling images, and it really does give me a range of different angles and different positions that I've taken the photo from. And on top of all that, it really is a fun exercise as well. So next time you're photographing a subject, move around that subject. Get on top of things, shoot from a lower point, shoot from as many different angles as possible. And then you'll find that you'll get more compelling photographs, and you'll get a whole host of different angles of that subject that you may not have even thought of. For more videos, subscribe and make sure you turn on notifications. Also head over to my YouTube channel where I have a growing library of photography and videography tutorials. I'll see you next time.